This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and isolating the screen. This prevents shorts and saves time later. Once done, remove the bezel gently and inspect the ribbon and LVDS/EDP cable at each connector for kinks, corrosion, or loose crimps. If you see damage, photograph it, label connectors, and note orientation. You need the exact connector type. Make sure to have replacement parts ready. Do not skip grounding yourself. An ESD zap can ruin the panel and make vertical lines irreversible. You'll now test the cable and connectors directly. With power applied briefly, gently press and wiggle the ribbon at each end to see if lines flicker or disappear, which confirms a connector issue. Once confirmed, power down, replace the ribbon with an exact spec LVDS/EDP cable, and ensure pins align perfectly. If receding doesn't help, remove and inspect the T-con board connectors. Swapping to a known good cable or T-con narrows the fault to that component. Make sure screws don't overcompress the connector. You finish by installing the replacement T-con, or, as a last resort, the entire panel when cable fixes fail. Align ribbon and fasten connectors snugly. Once reassembled, power up at low brightness and inspect for remaining vertical lines. If lines are still present, connect an external monitor to confirm the GPU or mainboard output. If the external is clean, the panel or T-con remains faulty. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, repeat wiggle tests while monitoring. It points to a fragile cable or loose connector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.